I just found a free application that will pay you over $700+ and get you free PayPal money without any investment or any knowledge needed. I will show you how you can do that today. This is now one of the simplest ways to make money online. So, how can you do it? This is how to earn $750 per day in free PayPal money. I will teach you how you can earn from this so you will earn more money without any work. This is one of the simplest ways to make money online. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up and then you can start making money while doing anything you want. Make sure to keep watching because I will show you how to do it. You don't need any experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from, you will be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips and tricks. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have any questions or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer. Let's start with the method. Step number 1 for you will be to go to this website called EXE. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find the website that you need because I have left all the links that you will need in this video down below in the description. So feel free to click on the links from the description. Also, you can come to this website through Google. On Google, you need to search for exe.io. You need to click on this first result. It will then bring you to this page. Now, before we start doing anything with the website, step number 1 is to make sure that you have a PayPal account because you will need the account to receive your payments from these apps. If you don't have a PayPal account, you need to go to their website and I will show you how to create a free account. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find their website that you need because I have left all of the links that you need in this video down below in the description. So feel free to click on the links down below. So here on the PayPal website, you will need to click on button. It will then take you to the next page where you need to choose if you want to create a personal account or a business account. You will probably want to create a personal account. So go ahead and click on that. It will then send you to this page where you need to fill out all the required information. Then you will be able to log into your brand new PayPal account, which you can use to withdraw all your earnings. As you can see when you scroll down on this website, there are more payment options to choose from if you don't want to use PayPal or PayPal is not available in your country. Besides PayPal, you can also get paid through Bitcoin, Perfect Money, and several more options. If you want to get paid through PayPal, you can choose it. As soon as you make your first $5, you can cash out your earnings immediately through PayPal or any other option that you prefer. Now, to show you that this actually works, I want to show you some payment proofs from this website. If you click on this button that says payment proof, then you can see this. This is the list of people that cash out their earnings from this website. As you can see, people are cashing out from this website almost every minute. They are getting paid through different payment options such as PayPal, Bitcoin, and many others. Also, people who are getting paid are living all around the world. So as you can see, this method is available all over the world. It doesn't matter where you come from. Now, before I show you how you can use this website and start making money online, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, I will give you some bonus and tips on how you can increase your earnings. So make sure to keep watching the video until the end to not miss any of those tips. Now let's make some money. Before you do anything with the website, you need to go over to Google. Here you need to search for different articles and blog posts that you think a lot of people will be interested in reading. You can search for any trending topic or anything. So once you find the article here that perfectly describes and writes about the theme that is searched for, I want you to right click on the title. After that, you need to click here where it says copy link address. Now we can move to the next step. Next step for you will be to go to this website that I have shown you before. So this is the place where you can shorten your link, share it, and earn money from the clicks that you get on that link. Now we will use this link that we copied from the article. When you enter those long links, this website will shorten them for you and you will get one much shorter one. You can share that with your friends, family, or any other people. When anyone clicks on that shortened link, you will make money again and again. So I'm here to show you the ways how you can get thousands and thousands of clicks on your shortened link, and you can maximize your results and earn as much money as you can. When you scroll down on this website, you will see that there are 3 simple steps before you start making money. First step is to make a free account. Second step is to shorten your links that you got. And the last step is to earn money. I will show you exactly step by step how you can create your account, shorten your links, and earn money from this website. Now let's start with the steps. I want you to come over to the home page of this website and I want you to scroll to the top of it. In the top right corner, you will see some buttons. I want you to click here. It will take you to this page where you need to fill up this form and make a free account on this website. Here you need to enter your username, your email address, your password, and you confirm your password. Then you need to check this box and then finally you click on this button. You have successfully created your first account on this website. This is how the dashboard looks like. As you can see, here you can track your views, your earnings, your average CPM. Now you can go through the website and learn more about it. So you will need to shorten your links in order to earn money from them. You need to click here. It will open this box. Here you need to paste your article link and click on create. It will give you the short link which you can copy simply by clicking on this button right here. Now you need to get clicks on this link, and to get clicks you need to get traffic. Now you can use different websites to get traffic. I recommend you to use this website. Here you can advertise your link to thousands of people every day for free. And that's how you can make thousands of dollars every day. And that's it for today's video. Here you can see my other videos that you can watch if you want. So that's it guys, go ahead and start making money online. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one.